Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we could do a real quick and easy behind the scenes video of how I have been doing my TikToks and Instagram reels lately of Melody's outfits. So we're just gonna do a little behind the scenes, show the reality of it. So basically what I do is I will get Melody an outfit, a super cute outfit, because I like to show some baby outfit inspiration. And I also have been working on growing my TikTok, so I have been posting TikToks daily, sometimes twice daily, and then I have also been posting at least one Instagram reel a day. I also use this time to try and get some super cute photos out of Mel. So I try to do this when she's in a good mood. Right now she is just laying over here on the bed. She's in a pretty good mood. She just woke up. So I'm going to go ahead and get her an outfit. But honestly, the reality of our days are that she will most likely just stay in an outfit like this after the video because she tends to spit up. And when we're just at home chilling, I don't like to have her wearing her super nice clothes because, you know, we're just at home chilling and she likes to spit up constantly. So I just go into the closet. Right now she shares a closet with us, and if you have not seen my last baby haul, then you should definitely check that out because I got Melody a ton of cute items. So right now I'm just going to look and see what I want to put her in. She's kind of in between sizes, so she can fit a lot of her 3 to 6 month clothing, but she can also still fit some of her 0 to 3 month shirts. So we're just going to have to see what are we feeling like today. I think we will wear this. This is a cute like in the house outfit. So I got some socks. There's that. I'll need diaper and then her pink binky. I think I can actually turn this into 2 different TikTok / reels because there is one that says I like pink, and I think I can do that one since she's going to be wearing an all pink outfit. So first what I like to do is go into the Instagram app and I go to my stories because I film these videos off of my story. Because that's where my filter is, so I'll just go here, and this is the filter I typically use. It's just the glow filter by Anita. I'll put it on the screen or something, but this is the filter that I normally use. So you can see I'm watching Transformers, but it just kind of gives it like a kind of pinker theme. Let me turn it this way. It kind of gives it like a, you know, tanner type of theme without making you look too fake, which I like. What I do is just throw this down on the bed. I do like to switch up the transition sometimes, so because I'm doing pink everything, I don't want to have the background too pink. So I'm actually going to go and get a blanket. So what I do is just film on my story. I make sure that only the background that I want is in line, so I don't want the edge of the bed, I don't want any of the gray, I just specifically want this. And then I will just film, throw it down, stop, save, and do that over and over with everything that I need. So then we'll do her diaper, we'll do her socks, and then because I'm doing 2 different reels today, I'm actually going to grab her and get a shot of her current pink outfit before I change her into her next pink outfit. But first I need to do the transition of this one, which I normally just take it all the way down till it's black, so then when I bring it back up they'll see her in the outfit. Save it and change her and get her into her new outfit. Okay, so now she is dressed, so I'm going to give her her binky in an attempt to keep her happy. Actually, we are going to put a little bit of oil on your hair, mama, because it's kind of dry. And then I do like to lay her edges a little bit, so I just take a little bit of cream and just kind of go over her edges because down. Then I will just finish it off because her binky is a part of this. I am either going to lay it next to her or put it in her mouth. She looks so adorable, you guys. Look at her baby hairs. I don't know if you guys can see, but she is so freaking cute. So now, let me take you guys kind of lower. Now what I'm gonna do is finish it off. So I'm gonna give her her binky. I'm going to start my thing. Here, mama, can you keep this for me? And then do it. That is what I do for my TikToks basically. Sometimes when I am out, I try to film while I'm out. So I had uploaded this mommy and baby Target adventures was a TikTok I uploaded that people seem to like, and I just try to do little things out of our day sometimes and make that a TikTok. Yes, that is behind the scenes of how I film my baby outfits. And since she did so good, we are going to go and eat them sweet potatoes. Them sweet potatoes. And milk. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.